Hey guys, today we would like to show you step by step how you can install the storage space for a KTM 990 Adventure with ABS. To remove the side covers, here are 3 bolts. Here is another one. Before you release it, you need to also remove the bolts from the seat lock. And then you take it out like this, and you do the same on the other side. On the right side goes the cables to the turn signals and the rear light. So you need to unplug it here, and then you take the screws from these places to be able to take out the rear headlight. Now we lift up the tail frame and you take out the headlights. Now you need to be a little bit careful and rather measure twice before you start cutting. First, take the storage space and try to center it on the motorbike. You will see it, this edge goes on this corner, yeah? So like this, make sure it's centered, then take something what is straight and the marker and do a line, a mark like this, where you cut, and you do the same from the other side. Now you need to do one more marking, yeah? Use this corner, put it like this, more or less. So here is still gap about 10 millimeters, yeah, or also helpful could be this edge, yeah. So you put it like this, and you do one more mark, yeah, like this. Just be careful before you start cutting. You did the line like this, you did a line like this. You have here one, yeah, and we need to do one more. That goes here again. As a helpful thing, you have to be able to put the knife or marker like this. So here the distance is 2.2 centimeters, 22 millimeters. Yeah, that's the correct distance, because here it's still the subframe tube. Yeah, so don't cut it here. Cut it here; it will look nicer. To make easier the cutting in the corners, so it's helpful to make to drill here a hole, not sure, you can try to drill here one and here one. It should be a little bit easier for you to do the cutting of the plastic square. Now when you have the cutout ready, you need to lose 2 bolts holding the rear fender, because you need to lift up a little bit the plastic part, and you take the holder. The final version will have rivet nuts to make the mounting easier. So you will hook it like this around the frame tube. Guys, now take the storage, prepare 2 M6 bolts, yeah, put them inside. Now it's fine. And insert the storage from the back side. It's good grip to hold it up against the frame tube. Yeah, it means it should be well aligned. And now you take the bolts, yeah, and you push them, or you bolt on to the metal holder you just inserted before. Now we will gonna mount the rear holder. So you need these 2 hooks and this big support, and M5 bolts and nuts. You see, you will use the hooks like this, yeah, on both sides. Then you take this low holder, and you have to go in between the pipes, and from here you plug it here, and again M5 by 30 bolts, and you take it through. Use the nut to secure from the bottom, and you on. The next step, to be able to fit in the tail, you need to do another cutout with a multi-tool. Yeah, so you go around the edge here to the back, yeah, and this is how you cut it out, and then you can insert it from this side. So this is how you sit it back. So you see here are the holes for the top bolts. Yeah, then don't forget to fix the cable and connect it together, and then you can start putting back all the plastics. So we put back all the plastics and the racks, and the installation is finished. So you can start enjoying the extra storage space under your seat. You can put there your first aid kit, tools, and tube, a spare tube, or and any other necessary stuff you want to have with you.